Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade Trio YouTube channel. This is a weekly episode of top 5 Forex setups. It has been a 4 week before the last video, and a lot of people are asking whether you discontinue this. I was very busy with my personal stuff and couldn't really manage to make a videos on it. So I'm back with the promise that I'll be making videos on a regular basis from now on. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the top 5 Forex setups of this week. The first one is USD Cad. Well, let me share the weekly view first. If you see, USD Cad has given a breakout, but the candle is not very good on this 9th May 2022. This is a rejection candle, and since then we see a sharp decline in USD Cad. Let me draw my drawings back and move on to the daily. Well, if you see, this was the breakout area, and then the price couldn't sustain above it, and we see a break below from this breakout region again. Now if you move to the 4-hour time frame, this is not a perfect head and shoulder, but you can still consider this a head and shoulder pattern, and the price just break through from it. Now I'm expecting a downside from this pair, and let me just adjust it. The target for this head and shoulder is rightly this area, 1.24300. But I'm not giving you very big targets for this week. Just remain realistic with sale on strength buys, and any strength you find till this trend line is a good way, good start to place your short orders, and then book profit firstly on this 1.26500 level, and then you see again strength, then continue your short position until you have this ultimate target of 1.24300. Let's move to the next one, Aussie USD. Well, let's move to the daily time frame. If you see Australian USD, let's move to the weekly first. If you see, Australian USD is trading in a bearish parallel channel, and the price just made a bottom around this horizontal support and the bearish parallel channel bottom. You see a good candles, a good follow-up candle as well, and on a lower time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, this is a breakout and a retest as well. So on a shorter time frame, this is a good bullish momentum, with price is making higher highs and higher lows, and if you see this a breakout from here and then another breakout just from it, so buy on dip is the stance in this pair, and your stop loss level is this area, 0.70400 should be your stop loss. The next one is CADCHF. Well, CADCHF has been trading in a range, and then we saw a good breakout from the range, and if you just see it, the price has completed this upside target, and we see a rejection right from the target point. Currently price is standing once again on the breakout level, and if you draw Fibonacci here of this rally, you see this is the 50% Fibonacci number, where the price just took the support, and the price action supporting bulls here. As you can see, let me draw it. As you can see, clear rejection and a good support here, so you can enter long in this pair and place your stop loss at this level, 0.73560 or 550 to be precise, for the upside target of at least 100 pips from here. The next one is USDJPY. Well, sale on strength is the stance in this pair, and if you see on a daily time frame, the price is in consolidation for very long time, and we just see a breakout from here recently. And on a shorter time frame, look at that, the price is making lower highs and lower lows, and currently it is in the ascending triangle with a break below should be the target. Your stop loss level should be dynamic according to this falling trend line, and even if you get strength in this pair, try to short it with trend line or just above this trend line should be your stop loss level. The last one is pound JPY. While pound JPY has a similar pattern like USD JPY, it is trading in an ascending triangle and looks like it is giving an upside breakout. Let me share. Yes, looks like the price will make a breakout right in the first session of Monday. But any dip is a good opportunity to take positions, and you can take position around this pair, and your stop loss level is below this area, which is 159 100. The upside target again is 100 to 200 pips. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you like the idea. If you really like this idea, then please share this video and do subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you and bye bye.